Hello everyone, I'm Noah Miller and this is Joel Miller, and today is Thursday, September 6th, 2018, and as you can see, it is starting to get dark in the mornings. It's not as bright as it used to be. You can hear crickets chirping and everything. This is vlog 30, and it is just so awesome we've made it to 30 vlogs. I really feel like that we have sort of leveled up. You know, if this were a video game, I feel like we have leveled up, y'all. So I feel great. It's gonna be an awesome day. It really is. We are at the Commons.
Guys, we're not supposed to be here yet. It's 7:14, but you know, we don't care.
Oh, lovely day.
Hi, this is Hannah here. I stole Noah's phone, and now I'm vlogging. Yay!
Guys, this is
This is
And then I'm trying to mouth
Okay, you're good.
Talent, you're a good vlogger.
Yay!
Yay! Everybody give her a round of applause. Woo! Yes. I can't applaud.
I have to play like this now.
applaud. Oh yeah.
Hey, Trent, do you know
Look at Hayden's cat. This is a memory that his phone
And
made.
outside just cats. Fluffy friends.
So his phone's AI is using the photos that he's taken with his cats and just put it together all by itself.
And it knows what photos are of you. Also, it's got different people in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got a memory of me, boys. Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a good one.
Is that the breakfast?
I don't know. It's big videos of Noah.
Is that a real banana?
Hey, Boma.
Does it look like a real banana?
Hey,
It was real.
that's my profile picture now.
Get ready to grab it. Get ready to grab it.
Is that a banana? What?
Is that a new one?
Wait, didn't the banana?
Can you buy me one and I'll bring you the money? I looked yesterday.
There are no additional photos.
I'll buy this.
So it won't make you.
Now it's Gavin.
Hey,
And there's breakfast.
Wait,
I got cottage cheese again, but it's a different type. There's got some nuts in there, so we're gonna try this today.
No, you started to fall. Are you ready to do
Hey, we're fighting. Headed to history class. And if I'm right, I believe we have a notebook assessment today. Fun stuff. Good morning!
Good morning, look how pretty it is.
Yeah. Hello, Garrett. Wait, oh. Huh.
And hit that bell icon.
He said it, not me. So where am I sitting? I kind of forgot.
Yeah, I thought you were sitting right there.
Okay, it must have been right here then. Because, oh, my cottage cheese is falling.
Huh?
You should have just moved one. Just
Yeah.
like everybody else.
Yeah, that's what me and Dan did. We just switched seats.
Well, I wanted to follow the rules.
She said we could.
Yeah, she said we could.
Well,
'Cause we
you do it
said
your
we
way,
decided
and I'll do it my way. Okay? Okay. Good. Alright, so I opened it up, and it's got like pecans in the top. And this is, I don't know, it's either got peaches inside of it or mandarin oranges. I think it's peaches. So we'll give it a try. And then today, yes, honey graham crackers instead of saltines. I should probably sit in the back of the room because there's a light back here and it makes the video so much better to see. But over there it's dark. It doesn't look that dark with our eyes, it's just the camera. So this does have peaches in it, not oranges. There we go. You know what I just realized? I'm missing something. A spoon. Oh well. It works. So, news update. I just on this test. I think I did really good with my notebook quiz. I might have missed 2 questions at most. That's how I feel. So since I didn't have a spoon to eat my cottage cheese, I used my graham crackers. I thought that was a pretty neat idea to share with y'all. So if you have graham crackers and you don't have a spoon, you could use graham crackers. And now we're about to go over a homework assignment. The homework has to do with these passages here. It's about farmers and like industry and the economy coming against them. So, I mean, that's what I gathered from it. And those are like answers for the questions that we had. We have a big test tomorrow in history class. And this is our study guide. I know today we had a quiz, but tomorrow we have a test over everything we've learned this year. History's over. English, my favorite class of the day, is next. And we have arrived. Ooh, 15 minutes of reading. And then we're gonna finish Act 1 of the Crucible. This is the Crucible story reading. And this is the study guide for Act 1. It has all these questions. And we have to answer all these questions to study for the test. Whenever it is, I don't know. It's a lot of work. I've been working on it really long. Woo! I just finished. Last minute, just finished all this work. And we are about to leave class. Oh, it feels so good to have all that work done finally. I don't have to worry about it anymore. Because we've been working on this for... Yeah, we worked on this. We started it yesterday, so...
I thought you said it takes 8
now I don't have to worry about it anymore. Walking through the hallways to class. And we made it. Here we are. Here's my computer.
What are you doing today with these? Where you put something over the
Flame test.
Oh, cool. They're gonna burn some sticks. That's why these Bunsen burners are out, because our climb class is in a chemistry class. So. Hey, we're making good progress for the climb. This is 20.9. That's how much I've completed so far. And everything I've done is a 100. Awesome. Oh, this is the pre-test I took. I made a 60. I think it's wanting me to do it again. So how this works is I did the lesson. That's what the whole thing, the videos and all those questions, that was, I guess, a lesson. It was all on science. This is a pre-test on science. And I think now that I finished the lesson, it wants me to do it again to see if I passed. Well, let's do it. Yep, this is the test. Alright, I just finished the last question.
No, not color logo. No.
What? Oh, I have to submit. Yes. Yeah, boys, we got a 100. Maybe this lesson was worth something because I've obviously improved. Awesome. Next lesson. And since we're going on to the next lesson, it's on to the next pre-test. Yay! Alright, let's see our results. These pre-tests actually aren't too long. Actually, just 10 questions, so it's not a big deal. Doesn't take too long to finish. 80%. Hey, that's better than the other one was. And I passed it. Yes! I do not need to complete the lesson. Awesome. That means I can skip the lesson and just go to the next pre-test. Yay. Okay, so now I have 34.6% of it completed. And apparently all that work I've been doing is under only one section. So that means that I have more work than I thought I did. I thought each test was one section. It's like, hey, we're gonna breeze through this, man. But no. I feel like today I've gotten to be able to understand the way climb works better though, so that's good. You can see I got a smile on my face because we are going to Spanish. Glad to see Connor's here today.
I'm back.
Yes, unfortunately Nacho must be sick or something because he's not here, but Hannah the banana is here. sitting at our table with her ramen noodles.
That are invisible at the moment.
Alright, it is time for lunch. When I get there, I'm going to tell you all about what we did in Spanish today. The line isn't too bad today. We got the Cool Dude fan club here. Jay.
Fan club. Noah Vlog fan club. I agree. Retweet.
This is probably the biggest slice of pizza I've ever gotten from the school before. It looks pretty good. Alright, so I just exited the serving line and I got some grapes here and ranch for the pizza. And I'm just sitting here waiting for Vova. Hey, Jalen. Alright, so I'm seated to eat. Let me tell you about how Spanish class was today. So at the beginning of class, our Spanish teacher asked us, how our day was going, and we could only respond in Spanish. And Hayden, you can help me out describing things, because we had the same class, just different times.
I said I was bien, and of course he goes porque, of course,
Which means why?
and I just say I'm happy today.
I told him I'm happy today. I'm really happy because
wow.
I'm making vlogs today and this week, and it just makes me happy. And then after that, we did an activity where we got up and we sort of circled around. We had a partner and we circled. One row of people circled around, the other stood still, and we had to talk to different people for like 2 minutes in Spanish.
It's called metro. Metro.
Like a subway. And that was fun because we really had to step outside of our comfort zone and only speak Spanish, which I think that really helps me with the speaking part. And then later on, I don't remember what. Oh yeah, we looked at a picture for 1 minute, like a painting on the screen, and then he had our group describe the picture only in Spanish, and then after that we were assigned an assignment to write 7 sentences about how that day was, only in Spanish. I know it sounds kind of like, oh man, 7 sentences, but nah, it'll be fine. Spanish class was fun, and I really enjoyed it, and I think it's gonna get even better, because last month it was just review, now we're actually diving into the Spanish 3 material, so it'll be fun. Wow, Vova, you're watching vlog number 29? Hey, there you are! Yeah, awesome!
I like it, your videos.
Yeah,
Very good.
Thank you, Vova. That was a good lunch. It's time for biology. Mrs. Miles' room is closed. The door is it unlocked? Yes, it is. But it's dark in here.
Miss Miles!
I don't think she's in here right now.
Oh my. Oh my.
Hey, Shadiamond. Today in biology, we're looking at this PowerPoint and taking notes. This is sort of what I'm doing in climb too, like ecology.
So, hopefully you understand the difference between abiotic and biotic. So, on the next screen, I want you to use the red, and ask you to do red circles around the biotic factors.
Oh,
So
this is easy.
What about predator and prey? Living or non-living? Living.
Living, bro. I'm a
Live to be
predator.
live to be prey. For prey is being hunted or and eaten. Predator is doing the hunting.
This computer's cheap, I'm telling you guys. That's why it's messing up so bad.
Pretty good. I know it's hard to do really great circles.
Oh, there we go. I have to erase. This is fun. That's Rosa, that's Alexa, and that's Nick. Yeah. Y'all, I found some barnacles. She gave us a 360 video to find some living creatures, and it's hard to see. Those white dots are barnacles right there. And then we have to say, like, what abiotic things affect them, non-living things like water and weather. Okay, I think this one is, oh, that one. Oh boy.
Hey, my line's gonna be messed up because my lines look.
Yeah.
Exactly.
This thing is.
There we go. Alright, I think we got it right. Submit. It looks very cloudy outside. From what I know, we have a significant weather advisory, so.
3 choices.
Let's
You're
take
looking
a
for
quiz.
One answer. If it has more than 3,
Wait.
I got 5 out of 5.
Hey! I got 5 out of 5. Woo! I get a piece of candy, y'all. Awesome. Ooh. Just one?
Yes.
Okay. Hershey
Well, she
Kiss.
didn't tell me that.
It is raining cats and dogs, and the bell just rung for us to leave. It has just to leave. Yes, it has perfect timing, doesn't it? Chocolate is so good.
I love it. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate?
That's okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Lola. Have a good day. And now I'm walking. Everyone else, that's the normal entrance. That's the way I usually go to leave. But today, since it is raining, we're taking a different way because the way that I'm about to go is actually closer to where the cars pick up. So it's sort of near my STEM class. Ooh, thunder. It's really raining hard out there right now. But anyways, I'm going that way where there's another exit that's closer to the car pickup, so that way we don't get as wet. Wow, here's Hayden. It's really raining out there. Look at that.
Startled me. I thought that was thunder starting. When you open the door.
My legs are getting wet.
Yeah, it's
from
going
mist.
all the way. Like, look at the roof. And there was a strike over there, and it was pretty loud over here.
That is crazy. That, like, a few minutes ago it wasn't raining. Now, all of a sudden it's raining so hard.
Oh no.
Walk through this, too.
And
The way, if we would have gone the normal way, we would have came out over there where it's all open. There's a few trees, which is actually kind of dangerous. We would have been out in the open getting soaked. That's why we came here today.
Yeah.
The road looks like static from all the rain hitting it.
Hold on, let me get this one.
Like white noise from a TV. Oh wow. Dude, it's coming down so much. Dude, you can't even see. Oh my.
That's a
Dude, the visibility is like close to nothing right now. Dude, you are so wet. Whoa.
Everybody's walking. Everybody, when they walk out the door, we just took off running.
Yeah.
It looks like
This
like
is
an
cool.
ocean.
Whoa, man,
rain
this
do
is awesome.
that.
I don't know if y'all can see the wind blowing the rain, but it's so cool.
Wow. Even if I wouldn't have just walked out, I would have got soaked.
Yeah.
I can't touch my.
He's just so.
Dude, I'm just standing here out of the rain and the mist is getting all over me.
I'm filming the rain because it looks so amazing. Like this is some kind of ASMR thing or whatever. It's just like.
It's not like raining hard. It's It
like
sounds
at the
very.
ground.
It sounds very soft. It's just the wind that's doing it. Wow, this is amazing. I had no idea it was gonna rain today. This is awesing footage. for the
Visibility,
vlog.
I think.
Wow, it is seriously calmed down now. We can see a lot better. Look at the trees over there. It's still sprinkling, but I have arrived at home. Eventually, we did have to go and run out in the rain. It didn't look like it was raining so bad, but dude, like, we were running to the car for just like a few seconds. And within those few seconds, we got soaked. And it wasn't even raining that hard. That's just crazy, but it's not raining now, so I'm dry. I really feel like we have reached a true milestone here on the channel with vlog number 30. And I hope you all do enjoy the content that I put on YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching. My social medias are in the description, including Instagram and Patreon. Other than that, have a blessed day, smile more, and I look forward to vlogging tomorrow. Bye, everybody!